What is up? We back with another video. What's up, y'all?
Hello.
I'm DeMarcus.
I'm Lauren.
And welcome back to our channel. Why you speak so low?
I'm Lauren.
Welcome back to our channel. And tonight we got another challenge for you. What's the challenge, Lauren?
Is it tonight or is it
It's right now.
tonight?
It's right now. So what's the challenge, Lauren?
Challenge is airplane.
We're gonna be doing the airplane challenge. I can't remember, somebody commented, or actually hit me up on Twitter and recommend I have to find it, and I'll put it in the description or throw it on the screen somewhere.
Throw it on the screen
somewhere right here for you guys. Of the person that.
Sorry that we're so unprepared.
Yeah, of the person that recommended it, but it's called the airplane challenge. So we're gonna get right into it. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're gonna do our infamous rock paper scissors to decide on who goes first. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Ready, set, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That was gonna get you.
Yeah, exactly. All right. So Lauren, you're gonna go first. So.
So I have to lift you up
Yeah,
first?
you gotta do it first. So, all right, come on. All right, so
Which way do you want me to lay down?
you can turn sideways, like this.
I think right here.
Yeah. Okay. And you're gonna put your feet up. Flip some more. Yeah. Okay. All right, you ready? Let me know when you're ready.
You took it on.
You ready? You gotta hold me up. You always talk about how strong your legs are. You gotta hold me up.
Let me do it like this.
Like what?
Like two different. I think that might work.
Okay. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I don't think it's gonna work out. I can't lift myself up. You gotta do it. Okay. Yep, just like that. Okay, you ready? Go. Oh, you got
Should bend my legs. I was trying to see if leaving my legs straight would work.
That didn't. Okay.
It did.
All right. You gotta use your arms to hold me up too.
Oh, I thought I was gonna have to let go, so I wasn't even trying to use them.
No, you gotta hold me up with your arms first. Then once you get me steady, we'll
Hurt
let
my
go.
pinky.
Okay. Use your arms to hold me up, and then once you get me comfortable, then we'll release hands.
You're hurting my pinky. Ow. I don't know. You're hurting it.
I'm not even doing nothing. Okay.
Why do you keep putting your feet down?
Oh, you got me?
Yes.
No, you don't. You gotta hold me still.
I did have you though. That second to
No,
last
you
time I
didn't.
did have you.
No, you
But
didn't.
it's not that last
All right,
time.
this is the last attempt.
Why
Okay.
do you keep moving me?
All right.
Wait, one more. Can I put him down here?
No, you can't put them down there.
Can I put him right there?
No. Oh, goodness. All right, come on. Let me show you. Come on.
Wait, I can't get up.
Okay. You ready?
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3. Let go. All right, let's do it one more time. Do it one more time. Come on. All right. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got you.
Period.
Put your feet back. Like backwards.
I can't.
You gotta like, kick your feet back. You can't keep your feet backwards.
Scares me.
Alright, one more time for me and then we'll try you one more time. Okay?
Do it this way.
Okay.
Let me drag you like you drag me.
My thighs all out, girl. Come on.
No, I like them.
Alright. Yeah, there you go. Ready, set, go. Alright, so we're gonna give you one more try.
Let's go. Let's go.
All you gotta do is just repeat what I just did. You gotta actually use your legs.
Stop blowing me.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. There you go.
See, like I moved.
Why are you moving?
Because I feel like I'm about to lose you.
Oh, no, you're good. Just straight up in there. Just narrow. Parallel. Parallel. Keep parallel. There you go. You took it. How you gonna release before I release? You gonna let go of my hand before I even let go? That's why I about fell on top of you. Alright, last time.
Where?
Jesus. Alright, you ready? What? There you go. 1, 2, 3.
No.
No, that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ow! Get up! You want my pinky again? What are you doing with my pinky?
How am I hurting you?
What are you doing with my pinky? It's like burning. What are you doing with my pinky? Alright, y'all.
Alright, guys. So,
One last time.
okay.
We're gonna do it this way.
Okay. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, you doing it? You doing it? You ready? 1, 2, 3, let go.
I lose on that part.
Okay.
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 Okay. Hold on. Keep push. You gotta push. Don't push forward. You gotta straight up. You pushing me that way. That's why I keep flipping over you. Okay. No, not right there. You stab me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh! That's your best
There's
one.
a second.
That's the best one. Alright, y'all. So, as you see, that's a pretty tough challenge, but I mean, I think your last one was your best one. Your best one. Because the other 12 were epic fails.
Hey.
So, alright guys, it's gonna bring us to the end of our video.
Thank you.
Thank you again for the recommendations. And also too, we want to always thank you for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, man, subscribe to the channel. Become part of the family.
Do it.
Right now, press the subscribe button right there below. You see it? It's gonna be somewhere around here.
Just do it.
Like
do
Nike,
it, do
just
it.
do it. So subscribe to the channel, become part of the DL family, so we can continue to grow like we've been growing. And we thank you for your recommendations, for all your suggestions, your comments. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, smash the like button. And if you have any other ideas for videos, or for challenges that you want us to do, then comment down below, let us know.
Or hit us up on our social media. Listen down below.
Oh goodness.
Listen down below.
Where does that come from? Okay. Like she said, our social medias will be listed. No, I know you did. Our social medias will be listed down below. down below. So comment on us, let us know, and like I say, we'll try to implement it in our next video. But until next time, guys, stay tuned. We out. Peace.
Here, I'll try to do it for you.
Peace.
And blessings.
All right, y'all.